Hello, hello. This is Jenna, a little later in the day with the Ask Jenna, but I wanted to create the video so that I could share it with Miss Rayanne here anyway, so she can watch it again. But as a marketer, digital marketer, sometimes forget that not everybody is used to WordPress like I am. So one thing that I like to do with every single client that everyone should have couple blogs, right? So currently we're looking at only building websites in Kartra, but I still like to have the blog in a subdomain, blog.yourdomain.com, and a Thrive themed in WordPress, right? So want to go through and show you how to upload your blog. So the easiest way and save yourself a lot of headache is build it in something like Google Docs or a WordPress doc. In one way, it has formatting, which can be cumbersome. But the other side of that is you're not going to have spelling mistakes, especially Google Docs. It's going to save your stuff automatically. So if, let's say, it gets deleted, or say you have terrible internet in Addison and the internet goes down, your stuff is still there, right? Without having to save it. So big fan of building in Google Docs. Plus, if anything goes wrong, you have it in Google Docs. If you want to turn all your blogs into a book eventually, it's in Google Docs. Like, there's just a lot to be said to have your stuff in Google Docs if you are going to move it into your blog. So I happen to pee on it. Oh, don't do that. Don't. Dashboard. So I'm going to go to dashboard. So when you log into your WordPress site, you're going to be looking at your dashboard. This is a brand new website. We are moving all of Rayanne's stuff over to painrelief.coach because the domain is awesome, but also because it's got a better domain. We're going to have her Kartra site at join.painfree.coach. And then we have Thrive Themes running her WordPress website. The problem with it is it has nothing on it yet. So there's not a lot we can do with it, but we do want to get some stuff on there before we formally launch it to the public. So what I want to have you do is go over to your post. We're going to click Add New. Come on in. I'm talking. Oh, can I help you?
Yeah, you may. My name is Chris Manning. I spoke to someone about my app. This is Warfare, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Probably me.
And I never got anything from you, so I thought I'd just knock on the door.
Okay. Can you wait like 5 minutes?
I can wait.
Okay. And you'll just chill out there and I'll get to you in just a second. Sorry. Open off. You're all good. So we're going to ring over our title. So I just copied over. I wasn't even thinking. I copied over all the stuff, but what I really want is the title first, because it will automatically make my domain name or the permalink from this title. So right here, this one says top 9 tea tree oil benefits and uses. What I'm going to do before it makes the domain name is take out the word 9. Why? Because I want to make it good for all the time. The other thing is you can do is to make it very relevant to the people reading it is add a year. So I put on a letter here. Basically, that's going to create that. So they've changed up the back end here for me. It looks all different. But what it's doing is it's already, because I typed a letter there, it's giving me a domain. It should be in document. I have no idea where they moved everything. I kind of like want to go back to my normal page, toolbar, spotlight mode, full screen mode, visual code editor, manage all read. I want to go back to my other one. How do you do that one? I have no idea. Maybe this is Thrive. Who knows? Anyway, so now I've just made it. It says top tea tree oil benefits. Now that is what I'm working with. I'm going to come over here and copy her super long. How many words was it?
About 3,600.
That is perfect. That is the type of pillar post that gets ranked very quickly. Those are the ones that rank within a week, especially if they're unique. So we're going to copy that over. And here's a big one. So I believe they even have a paste feature specifically for WordPress. I do not know how to use this new editor whatsoever. My favorite one, though, is just go up to Edit, Paste and Match Style. So the new editor you can see is like making a paragraph out of each separate one. Oops. Now, did you want to link that into the number? Is that the point? Okay, so this will be painstaking, but copying, actually go ahead and cut that. Highlighting the number 1. We're going to paste it into here, but here's another core one. We're going to go to the 3 dots, open in new tab. When they are clicking off your site, you don't want them going in the same tab ever. Okay, so that's going to be one. So a lot of these I'm going to let her do. If you'll see right here, it's got lines on top of each other. Go ahead and click that back and just hit enter and it'll give the right spacing, because what I want this one to do, so what is tea tree oil, is a prime example of what to make an H2 tag. So as soon as you take it over there, it makes it an H2.
Okay.
That is going to have SEO reasons to do so, because H2 tags are read differently. You also want to make sure in the first sentence and in the first paragraph, you are using words that you care about. So I have tea tree oil here. Might add benefits. I'm just going to keep it here. I could grab and make it longer tail. I could even make it more specific. Cannot find anything. Thrive ads, social media, custom code, focus area. Here we go. Scroll. This is killing me, not knowing where my normal stuff is. Oh, you know what? You don't have Yoast SEO on yours yet. Normally, I would copy paste that into Yoast SEO down at the bottom. It would help me show me where. See, I kind of want to do that now. I won't be able to do it live, but I'll show it to you. Huh? Oh yeah, because it's a given.
Yeah.
So you're going to want to go through. Did you have a number or something here?
No, I was just going to start it.
Start it. So that one was number 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. But making sure that each one of these is in the right heading. One, improved dry scalp. So on this one, I'm actually going to want to edit this to actually say number 1, if possible. So
A list.
yeah,
Number
so I'm going to actually turn that, insert. I feel so stupid right now doing this. I've never. There we go, list. Except I want it to be numbers. They're making my life hard. Why are they doing this? Paragraph, quote, transform to paragraph. List, heading, quote, verse. This is insane. So for the sake of just getting through this quickly, do bold. And we'll put number 1 here, similar to what she. So typing it's trying to be all fancy and intuitive, instead making my life hard. So having that improved dry scalp. Wanting to edit for me. The reason to do the numbers is Google's going to like it because it says numbers. I keep on hitting a V instead of a space. Oops, here we go. Soothe your skin.
It doesn't want me to have another paragraph underneath without another number.
I have found sometimes ways around that. Let's see. You can do like a main one right there and then come over here and do a tab. Why didn't it go tab? Oh, here we go. Push it in. Use that button right there with the arrow. And then I'm going to make it a bullet point. So if that's like a complete, that's only one that they have, just a bullet point underneath.
Oh, okay.
So then we have 2, soothe skin irritations. I'm just going to move these. You can do the little number dilly whopper, right? A pilot research. So this is a study. I'm going to separate that one away, push it over, and give it a bullet point. Bullet point, and then see what I'm doing there? So that everything is numbered, because Google's going to like that better. So I'm going to get through the numbers. Lots and lots. All right, greatness. Same thing. Going to turn this into a header. Big header, but a header. Do the same thing with the numbers here. I see you guys have already did that here. Same thing, you just turn those into bullet points underneath.
They're not supposed to be.
I think it just,
Each one is a separate
yeah.
number, not bullet points.
Oh, that should be 4, 5, 6,
Mhm.
7.
Mhm.
So there was some issues importing it or the way that it was typed.
Yeah.
So I'll let you do that because you know it. So this is almost sometimes, this is why it might be easier to build it inside of WordPress
Okay. So.
or not worry about formatting when you write it in Google Docs. Does that
Right.
make sense?
Yes.
So just bare basic bones, pump it out, format it in here because it's going to be different formatting. So I love all the different ones in here. So that's the basics of it. And the other one is going to be jump over, and I'll do this really quick because I have somebody waiting to relay that. It's got a whole host of images you can use. See, I'm going to go to Pain Relief, Coach, Social, Print, Other, Blog Post. I really want to keep it super simple. Just an image. You can search images. I'm going to try tea tree oil. See what I get. Oh, look at that. Boom. That's not tea tree oil. That's cooking oil. Nice try. It's giving me actual tea. It's branded. There we go. I like that one. Download that one. And then I'm going to come over here to the document side. I'm wondering if this might be a Thrive thing. I'm going to kick, download, and choose my newest upload. And this is a key point right here, and this matters. Where is it? Here's the blog. Minus the number. I'm going to take the title. Ding, ding, ding. This is important. Write this down. Take the number out. Top tea tree oil benefits. It's going to be the title because that's going to be very important for ranking. It's your alternative tag for that image. And this is simple. Hit publish. So obviously this needs more editing. After she does the editing, she'll need to come back. We're going to do the looky-loo. So again, she needs her new logo here. Top tea tree oil benefits and uses. Right now it doesn't have a good category because we're going to be doing categories. So let me see if I can, okay, you go away. I don't want to, it's very confusing having all this extra stuff over here. I'm sure it has a reason. Block. Move to trash. Oh, here we go. Categories. Essential oils. So we're going to take media off and then we're going to update it. So making sure it's in the right category. Could also add specifically a tag. Tea tree oil.
You don't need hashtags? It adds a sign.
WordPress doesn't do hashtags.
Okay.
Internet, Twitter, hashtag.
Right.
Instagram, hashtag. WordPress blogs, tags.
Okay.
Without hashtags, unless the hashtag is part of the tag. So Jenna's notes, I can include a hashtag because that is a hashtag that's actively used on the internet. So I hope that helps everybody. You see that? So we obviously don't have any of the things over here on the sidebar. We don't have the opt-ins on the inside, but you can see the nice formatting. Benefits, a nice little number, so it's easy to read, and you can always add images after the fact. So just going in there, editing that, and to find it, all you have to do is go over here into post. Right there, there's your top tea tree oil benefits and uses, and just hit edit.
That I remember.
There you go, and that's it. Simple, easy peasy, easy peasy. So the sucky part is I can't actually see who's commenting because I'm in the group. I've got a link here. I want to shout, Jenna, read the comments. Oh, no, I installed a plugin called Classic Editor to make it happen. Yeah, so I guess this was the new update from WordPress. So Mom Boss Club isn't in it yet. Yep, there's the option. So go get the classic editor, but probably just learn how to use the new one. I'm going to have that learning curve. So this is why I don't like doing the lives. Oh my God, so sad. All right, guys. If y'all have any questions in the group, let me know what you'd like me to do a quick video on, and we'll do an ask and hashtag it Ask Jenna, 1N, by the way. And we'll get that going so that you get your questions answered. Alrighty, peoples. Bye, guys.